Today we are going to learn about theme. Go ahead and say theme. Good. So what is theme? What does that even mean? Well, we can see here that the topic is what a story is mostly about. So the topic helps us find the theme of a story. Now the theme is the moral or lesson the author wants readers to take away from the story. So the theme is the idea that is bigger than the topic. So the topic is part of theme, it's just a bigger idea that includes the topic. Now the reader has to sometimes figure out the theme of a story. So the author, when they write a story, they don't always tell you this is the theme of the story. No, you have to figure it out. You have to read the story. You have to ask yourself questions about the story, like who are the characters? What problem does the character face? How does the character solve the problem? What does the character learn from the story? How does the character change? So all of those questions you ask yourself, you read the story, you put it together, and that helps you find the theme or the lesson the author wants you to learn. Another question that you ask yourself when you read is, what lesson does the author want me to learn from this story? So with the theme, it can be, you can retell the theme or summarize it as a big statement. It's not just one or two words. That's what the topic is. The theme, you need to tell the theme or retell it from the story as a statement, as a big sentence. And you can find the theme by thinking about what happens to the characters. And sometimes stories even have more than one theme. So here, let's take a look and see what clues can help us find the theme of a story. We're going to look at where it says start. Step 1, think about the story's topic. So the story's topic could be about being yourself. Step 2, look for the lesson a character learns or can teach. So for example, character tries to be like his brother and misses the things he enjoys doing. Step 3, uses clues to figure out the message the author wants you to learn. For example, the character is not happy when trying to be like someone else. Step 4, say the theme in your own words, retell it in your own words, which would be true to yourself. And then you would add more details to that. So as you listen to this week's story and read other stories, make sure to ask yourself, what is the story mostly about? What is the problem in the story that the character faces? How does the character change by the end of the story? How is the problem solved? And what lesson is the author trying to teach me?